For commercial retouching particularly, you might be asked to change colors in the image. For example, makeup color, lipstick color, dress color, or shirt color, or any accessory in the photos that you might be asked by your client or friend, like, can you change this color to match this color for me? That is something very common, especially if it's makeup, then they have a different shade of lipsticks. So they will ask you, like, can you change the lip color, the lipstick color to match these tones? And they might send you a set of photos, like, these are the shades. Can you, just according to these shades, to change the lipstick color? The same goes with dresses and clothes. So you might encounter that they give you a set of photos, like, we have this dress and in 5 different colors. Can you change the color of the dress into this set of different colors that we have? So you get a set of colors that you need to change to. Hi, I'm Lily Amanda for Portrait Creatives. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can change certain color to match certain color. Let me show you how to do it inside Photoshop. And I have this image open up already in Photoshop. It's Nicole. She's a beautiful dancer. And we have worked together with several projects. For example, like, if you have a set of color that you need to change into, like, for example, your client give you a set of clothes that you need to change different colors to. For example, let's pretend these ribbons are the colors you need to change into. It's very easy and simple. I just choose one of the color and I use Alt key. I'm in the brush tool right now, okay? Brush tool is B, and I just hold on Alt key to sample the color. So I'm just gonna click here and click my mouse so the color is sampled. You can see it over here. And then I'm going back to Nicole's photo. So I'm going to just add a new layer and then just use, so it's brush tool and opacity 100, flow 100. I'm just going to paint this color over the dress she has, okay? So I'm just gonna do it randomly. It's not going to be very accurate because this is just a quick demonstration. And actually the edges, you will need to change it to a hard round brush in order to have this hard edge, okay? And you can also just paint a little bit over, okay? And I will show you how to do it. Like, I will actually go to the edges first. This is what I usually do. I will just paint it over and then use a layer mask to remove the edge so you'll have a very clean, sharp edge. Okay, so I'm just going to do all that. Okay, let me just go over it. I'm just going to do this side as a demonstration, otherwise it would take too long to... I'm just going to do one side so you can see the difference. I'm just going to start here and I'm going to paint over. Okay, this is the time we will need hard round brush. That means you go for the hardness is 100%, okay? So I'm going to paint this all like that. Okay, so that's done. And then change it to blend mode to color. See, that's color exactly matching. It's really easy to do. So you can see the color I sampled is exactly the same. So the edges, let's clean up the edges. So I'm going to add a mask, layer mask, just over here. Click on that. And then I'm going to zoom in, just clean up the edges. So I'm going to just use a smaller brush. That's a bracket. Just use bracket to change your brush. I'm going to use a black brush. You can switch by pressing X. Okay, so I'm just going to do something like that very carefully. You can see the color instantly different, lighter, because I go on the skin, so you can just remove like that. Okay, it's very, very easy. Okay, There are many different ways to approach it. You can also just select the dress, and you can see because it was green dress, so there are different colors between skin and the dress. It will be easy to just select the color, and you can just use the same method, paint over and change to color blend mode. Sometimes you will see like which blend mode works the best. Sometimes with hue or saturation, sometimes they work as well. And you will just have to see which one works the best and choose that blending mode. It's not always the same blending mode. Okay, so this is over here and over here. Okay. So that's it. That's this side. Okay, it's over here as well. Clean it properly. So if you like I paint it over, right? Then I just change it back to the white brush and just brush back, and there you are. And maybe I'll change it to smaller brush to take care of that area, like this. Oh gosh, okay. Command Z to undo. Okay, just painting over here. Okay. This just takes time and patience to go through it. And I know it'd probably be easier if you just use selection to select the dress. Okay, so that's not too bad. So you can see that's before and after, and it match the color. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you find value from it, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll be uploading more helpful tutorials. So subscribe to our channel so you won't miss anything. I'll see you in the next video.